everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Quick, 5 minutes or less, no measure craft. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here, and thank you so much for supporting me. This is going to be a very quick video because I want to show you a very quick and easy way that you can make a no measure required bag. I've made two right here, one with a flap and one without a flap, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this bag and to add the flap. Now this video might be a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but the actual process to make the craft is not. So if you need to make up a bunch of these in a hurry, you'll be able to do so with this quick and easy no measuring technique. I have these two bags, and look at how much we can fit in. And look at how stinking cute they are. So you can use these bags for a variety of reasons, and they really are any reason, any season, anyone. Just change that paper, change the embellishments. But if you need a bag in a hurry and you don't want to measure, here's how you do it. With just one piece of text weight cardstock, I'm going to show you the pattern for making the bag, whether you're making it with the flap or without. So very, very easy. We're going to take that paper and let's fold it over like this, and you probably have about 1/2 inch of white left over here. Again, no measuring. I'm going to take that piece and just fold it over right there. Then I'm going to open it like this and fold it as far as I want it. So I'm not giving any measurements, I'm just giving you a nice little process. So that's going to be my top. I'm going to go ahead and just cut here like this, and then I'll turn it to this side, and I'm going to cut all the way across from end to end like that. Then I'll take my finger blade and I'm going to cut in at a slight angle there. So that piece is going to fold over just like that, giving us a little bit of stability to that flap. So now I can take my tape, add my tape, take this piece and fold it over like that. Now I'll add some tape to this little tab and we'll fold that over. You can't even see my seam. And now I'll fold this over. Add some tape here. And then I'll add some tape along the bottom. Now we'll fold that over, fold this over, and there we have our bag. Now if you did not want the flap, at this point you can take your scissors and just cut straight across and you'll have a bag that looks like this one. But I do want the flap to fold over like that. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to round that end, and I'll round this end. And if you have a paper crimper, you can actually crimp the bottom. If not, your bag is complete. Now I'm just going to take a little decorative element, and this element is from a Dollar Tree sticker set, and I'm just going to take the one that says World's Best Dad. We're going to place it right there. Then when you open it, I am just going to take this one that says my hero and we'll place it right there. So y'all, that is how easy it is to make a fun, quick and easy, no measure bag in 5 minutes or less. So if you have some nice decorative papers, just go ahead, pull those out and make up a whole bunch of these ahead of time. They don't have to be for Father's Day. They don't have to be masculine themed. Just pull out some of your favorite papers and have fun making these bags. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick and easy, no measure project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.